So to mount the tire, you have to grab the two plates that we removed initially. There's grooves here, so you have to align them. Do the same on the other side. And you have to slide the tire brackets through these guides on both sides. And you want to align the caliper and push it inwards so that the disc goes into place. And now the tire is slide inside. And then you want to grab your main bolts, axle bolts. You will see you have to align the bolts and the holes here. You need to do that for both sides, left and rear. And then you have your four 3mm bolts that you have on each side. You present them as well. And with your 3mm Allen wrench, you have to screw them in. So for the other side, we have to do the same. We have already shown in the other video. It's the same 5 bolts. Now you have your tire assembly back on. Just make sure you tighten all the bolts firmly. This would be the last step to secure your rear tire back into place. Make sure. And with this you complete the rear tire installation. You have to repeat the same operation. So now that you have all this mounted, again you have to align your caliper, and for this we have another video for brake adjustment on how to align the caliper properly so that it doesn't rub the tire. So please check out our other video.